Welcome. To show you. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Today is gonna be fun. Fun. Let me start by sharing the link so that you guys can know I'm online. I'm enjoying this my popcorn. Come on, guys. Come on. We'll be teaching today top-down analysis. Plus, if we see trade opportunities. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What's up? If you want to install MT5 on your laptop, just download it online. There's no link to that. There's no link to that. Just go online and search for MT5. I don't know if it's on the window manager. I don't know. Just search for it on Google. You get it. Guys, join me and eat my popcorn. Okay, so welcome, guys. Welcome. How was yesterday? Yesterday was a blast. Before we go into that, where are you joining us from? Drop your location. Beautiful morning to you. I'm happy to be in your midst again. Drop your location. Guys, pardon me, or you see me put something in my mouth often. Is this particular popcorn? That popcorn is giving me vibes. So what's up, guys? Okay, I am Mide from Lagos. I greet everybody around Damini. I greet you, Andy Wallis. I greet you, Ayomide. I greet you, Fidelity Token. I greet you. So therefore, guys, whichever way, I don't understand this message. I think I'm going to stop this popcorn so that it will not distract me. Yeah, and the thing they look at me. Okay, so Aridoh from Lagos, I greet you. Fidelity Token is from Benin City. How is Benin today? Money boys, I need a link to your preferred broker. Message me on Telegram. Amy. Emmy is from Abuja. Welcome, 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 welcome. So guys, what's up? Festy, how you doing now, my guy? How you doing? Festy, you missed yesterday. I don't know, maybe you finally took any trade yesterday. But you miss. If you don't take trade yesterday, you miss. We had 3 trades yesterday, and minimum of 3 to 4 TP. About how many TP? 4 TP. That's 8 plus 3. So you miss all of those yesterday if you don't take any of the opportunity, and we smash TPs. That yesterday we smashed TPs. So guys, if you know you took yesterday, the one we called on this live session, or if the private channel, the one I called for you in the private channel, how much do you make yesterday? How much do you make yesterday? Inspire somebody with your profit. I said I want to stop this popcorn, but this popcorn kept looking at me. I think I'm going to stop. Let me just put it here so that I won't see it again. Hi Bolaji, what's up? I say no go today. Guy, like. As you're coming in, make sure you like. And another thing I need to ask you guys is that, how is my audio? Is it very loud? Or do I need to keep speaking up? I need it to be very, very loud. Don't know. I think I need to do this my settings again. I don't understand why this thing is doing like this. But whichever way we move. People don't type figure when I do try to download from Google Play Store on laptops connected to same email on my phone and download from another but reflect on phone side. Why will you go and download Google Play Store on laptop? Google Play Store is meant for phone. Go and search it on Google, not Google Play Store. Go and search for download MT5 for PC. Put PC so that they will know it's for system. So what's up guys? What's up? How much did you make yesterday? Make sure you are liking. How many people have liked so far? Come on guys, come on. Make sure you are liking. Make sure you are liking. Like. Rookie from Delta State, I make $12 from the first single for gold. God is the greatest, more wisdom and more. Thank you, goat. You guys started calling me goat since yesterday. It started with one lady. See, me, I know they deceive myself. I know where I'm still going with this forex thing that we are doing. I still have a long way to go. A long way to go. It's not about withdrawing thousands of dollars. I have bosses, I have mentors who are withdrawing millions of dollars. I haven't gotten there yet. So, you guys calling me good. Well, I might seem like that to you, but to myself, I know I say I have a long way to go. Because until I achieve those stages, if you call me goat in the sense that, greatest of all time, well, which I didn't believe one person is the greatest of all time, but just a title that we have attached to somebody who is doing very well in his particular field today. Then it might be welcome, but for now, you guys that are calling me goat, well, maybe you guys are just pushing me to that place that I want to get to sharp. But by the grace of God, I will get there. Okay, if it's a bit louder, maybe I'll have to get a mic then. Maybe I have to get a mic because I'm using the laptop audio, and the laptop audio, I think I will raise my voice so that at least it will make more sense. So I think I will raise my voice. I'm raising my voice now. So I will try and get a mic, an external mic that I will attach to my laptop so that you guys can hear me very loud and clear. Okay, so King Gresh from Abuja, Emmanuel Alake, you're welcome. The audio is audible enough. Well, thank you. Okay. So, how many people do we have here now? We have few people here. What's up? At the end of the day, people will now start seeing trade. Now we'll see opportunity. Now people will be like, oh. You can see live. Um, um, at the end of the day, you guys will now start seeing results from people. And I'll be like, oh, I was not on the live session. How will you be on the live session? How will you be on the live session? Okay. So it's no more in news that people made some good profit for themselves yesterday. So guys, let's get started. Today we want to, as you are joining us, let us know the location you are joining us from. You're welcome. Join us. Let's know the location you are joining us from. And aside from that, if you make money yesterday, let's know how much you make, and make sure you are smashing the like button. So right now, should I just go straight to my screen? Do you have any question based? Do you have anybody that have any question based on what we taught yesterday? Any question on the major levels, minor levels that we draw yesterday? Any question? Atochwe, how is Cameroon today? Welcome. Any questions so far regarding what we taught yesterday on the major and the minor levels? Do you guys even practice it on your own? Okay, that's good. So now guys, let me see if there's any question regarding the major and the minor level. Let's go. We have only few people here today. I don't know why. Maybe all the money they made yesterday is enough. Okay, so if I've waited and nobody is dropping any question, then I think I'll just move, and I'll just move to my screen right now and show us top down analysis. But guess what guys, I'm not getting a feedback from you guys to know if you're actually getting my point, if you're getting the knowledge I'm teaching or not. So therefore, when I go into my screen right now, I'll just do the explanation. I won't even do it to the extent that you might just because I don't understand. If you guys are getting the point, you should at least let me know what you learn, what you don't understand. Have you practiced it on your own? Let me understand that the time I'm spending with you guys, let me understand that the time is worth it. So give me the vibes to let me know that the vibes are worth it. So once I said, do you understand? Let me know what you understand. Let me know what you don't understand. And as a matter of fact, I don't believe anybody will understand 100% because it takes practice to understand it 100%. So if that's the case, as you are joining us, make sure you are smashing the like button. Make sure you are smashing the like button. So therefore, let's start diving into the into my screen. Good morning, Shibueze. Where are you joining us from today? Well done, Shibueze. Where are you joining us from today? We're gonna make some good money for ourselves today, if hopefully, but at the same time, importantly, we're gonna learn. We're gonna learn. Okay, Shibueze joined us from Ojo, Lagos State. Well done, well done, well done. Okay, so guys, I'm about to go into my screen right now. I'll ask for the last time the major level and the minor level we taught yesterday. Bolaji Tomiwa Pelumi, what's up? How are you doing? Where are you joining us from today? Welcome. So what we taught yesterday, the major level and the minor level, did you guys learn something? If you learn, what did you learn? If you don't understand anything, ask question right now before we dive into today's lesson. Today we are doing a top-down analysis, which is going to be similar to what we did yesterday, but we are going to be focusing more on top-down analysis rather than focusing on the major level and the minor level, and which is interwoven anyway. It's interwoven, and at the same time, if we see any trade opportunity, come on, we will take it by the grace of God. So Bolaji Tomiwa Pelumi joined us from Oyo State. I saw you today. Oyo Mesi Ogo. So I'm going to my screen right now. Should I go? Let me just go. Let me dive into my screen. For the people that are just joining us, I'm going to say this for the last time. If you understand the major level and the minor level we taught yesterday, let me know what you understand. What you don't understand, ask your question right now before we dive into today's lesson. How much did you make yesterday? Be sincere. So let me just prepare and then let me start diving into my screen. Okay. Welcome to my screen, guys. Are you seeing me properly from the screen? Let me know if you are seeing me properly. If you are seeing my screen properly, let me know, please. Use the chat box. Are you seeing my screen properly? I learned that I have to do this my settings again. I don't like the way this my screen is showing small. This person said I learned that major levels are draw from monthly, weekly time frame, while minor levels are draw from daily time frame. Yes, minor level can be drawn from weekly to, depending on how you actually spot it. Just like what we saw yesterday, you saw like a triple bottom. It's a minor level in between a major level, but we draw it from the weekly time frame. But majorly, where the market is reversing, where the market will get to and it will consolidate or it will reverse, or it, those are the major levels, but when you keep practicing, you can watch the video and rewatch, so you get it. Mr. Andy, I will say this again. Type on Google, download MT5 for PC. That is all you need. It will give you a direct link to actually download MT5 for your PC. It's as simple as that. Okay, so any other question? Online smart TV, you said too reflective. What is too reflective? Then here on, what is not clear? Let me understand, because I'm about to dive into today's lesson. So if anything is not clear about yesterday's lesson, let's quickly iron it out before we dive into today's lesson. So be fast. Let me hear from you guys. Let me hear from you guys. What's up? What is not clear here on an online smart TV? What is too reflective? Come on guys. Let's go. Okay, you are saying my screen is not clear. Okay guys, let me switch to my screen again. If you are experiencing the same thing, let me just know. Let me switch to the chart. If you are experiencing the same thing, let me know. Is my screen clear? Are you seeing my chart? You understand that before you draw major and minor level, you must see through touch first. Not really through touch. You can see as many touch as possible. Like just making sure that that place is respected. Market is respecting that level very well. When there's a breakout from the major zone and does not retest back to the zone, should I wait for it to retest before I take trade? Or seems to have issue with that. Yes, wait for you to retest, unless you are going to take a low risk. Wait for you to retest, and if you are taking a low risk, have it in mind that it might retest. Okay, yes, it's clear. Yeah, you are right, Shiboize, you are right. Understand that the more the touches in a level, the stronger the level. That's it. You are very right. Guys, I understand that my screen is showing small kind of today. I will visit the settings. I mistakenly touched the settings this morning, and that was why it's showing like this. But anyway, I will fix it before tomorrow by God's grace. Okay, so with that, let's dive into my screen and let's start with another pair today. Yesterday we look at gold. Today, what pair should we look at? Suggest a pair. What pair should we look at? Danny Tech, what's up? How is Ibadan today? What pair should we look at? We look at gold yesterday. We did a top-down analysis on gold yesterday. What pair should we look at today? Online smart TV, you said, do you always take trade on 4 hours? Yes, I take my trade on 4 hours. And I'll tell you the reason why I usually take trade on 4 hours. Depending on who taught you anyway, your mentor matters most. So the person I actually learn from, because I understand that swing trading happens to be the most peaceful mode of trading. If you are doing, if you are trading, if you are a swinger, you always have a peace of mind, because once you enter a trade, you don't always have to be trading all the time. You will leave a trade for days, for weeks, if possible for months. So, and another thing is that for you to get a very strong entry and strong confirmation to get into the market, you need a time frame like 4 hours. Rarely do I use 1 hour. But for people that are day trading, 1 hour and 4 hour too is okay for day trading. But scalper, they are the one that usually use 15 minutes and 1 hour. Do you understand? So, say somebody say we should look at US 30, NAS 100. I don't want to look at those pairs for now. I want us to look at a pair that at least yesterday we look at gold. Gold is volatile pair, but US 30 and NAS 100 too are volatile pair. So let's look at like a forex pair. Somebody suggested Euro USD, but since some trend don't retest, how do you know that it may retest or not after a breakthrough? It depends on where you are looking at it from anyway. If, let me quickly tell you about this retesting from my experience. If a particular, let me go to my screen and explain this thing to you guys. Coming, let me go to one of our major levels here. Okay, let me use this place as an example, guys. You understand that this thing is a major level, this thing that I draw here. This thing is too wide. I want to shrink it. I'm trying to shrink that major level. It's too wide. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours time frame. Okay, so see what I'm talking about. Look at this level. Look at when this market was. Let's start looking at it from here. So you can see that this market have been trying to actually break this level. So these are for 4 hours candles. So you know that this from November 23rd to finally breaking it November 30. That's like 1 week. 23rd, that's like seven working days. So this market have been trying to break. So the more you are seeing a market trying to break a major level or a minor level, the more you know that that place is strong. If it eventually break that level, it will come and retest. You can see that e eventually break it, e came back to retest, and since then it has been going up. So but sometimes it will not just retest and then it will go. Look at this minor level too. Let's see when it four of us break it. When was the first break? You can see that it was trying to break it here, but it couldn't break it. Let me see if it eventually break it. It has not come there. So let's check what has happened in the past with this level. Okay, guys, look at this one again. When this market got here, it rallied back up. So look at it again. He tried to break it here, he rallied back up. When he eventually break it, can you see he came back to retest? It will always come back to retest, either sooner or later. He came back to retest, he retested again, he finally break it. Once he break it, see, he came back to retest again before he started going up. Look at this place again. So once markets break a level, it will come back to retest it. It's just like a routine for the market to do. I think I explained it in one of my video the other time that oh come on, I'm not ready for this one. So when I go now, I'm not ready to do all these things for now. So look at this place, sha. Eventually break it. Okay, this one is not very clear. It's not very clear. This place is not very clear. But the major level are the most important thing. If you see, it break it, it came back to retest. It broke here, it came back to retest before it went down. It broke. So those are the things we need. Do you understand my point? The one that asks Cementa, do you understand my explanation? And guys, I feel like I should change this my interface again. Let me just change my interface. I want something. I want to change my interface to blue black. Blue black. Number one, my appearance. I want my appearance to be white. I want my candle blue and black. So what other things? What do you guys think about my new background? Is it okay like this? I think I like it. Let me see if I can use. I'm changing my interface. So when you see my charts look different now, so you understand that I did it live. So let me see how this one looks like, Shah. Let me see how this one looks like. My major levels. Whew. Sorry guys, sorry. I'll be out of this now. What color should I give you? Let me just give you color red. It has to be different from this. It has to be different from minor level and middle level. Let me just leave it. I just want my chart to look different from the way it usually look. Let me save this. And then we move on to background. So if you want to change your own to, you have seen me practice it. So guys, GBP USD, Euro USD, how do I come up with so many take profit? I come up with so many take profit due to how the market has actually, maybe sometimes I use pips, sometimes I look at the next resistance or support that the market can likely reverse to put our TP. So those are the decisions I use in setting so many TP. I know something else, they place a trade on 4-hour time frame and also 1-hour time frame, but the 1 time frame profit high price for, there's nothing like all these things. 1-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame are just for analysis. It has nothing to do whether you are going to make profit or you are not going to make profit. They are just for analysis and to view the market. I've said these things severally. And on your MT5, switch your MT5 time frame to 1 hour or 4 hours. With that, you will not be looking at, you will see the market very well and understand what the market is doing. GBP USD, GBP JPY, boss, let's examine GBP USD. Yes, I've got you. I can see more clearly now. This background interface is clearer. Okay, that's good. So that's the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing, at least to make it look clearer for you guys. So let's look at GBP USD according to, so this is GBP USD. I had some of my major and minor level. I'm going to delete everything right now, remove all my night drawings and everything right now. This is my neighbor, they don't start again. I'll still leave this as for now. So now guys, the first thing first, before you start your top down analysis, you go to the monthly time frame. So this is monthly time frame, guys, no drawing. So we want to start our analysis, and then this is when GBP USD started. If USD trading will give us a data that started from 2002, August 2002. So up till now, without anybody telling you anything, guys, is GBP USD on an uptrend or a downtrend overall? Uptrend or downtrend? Let me hear response. GBP USD, is it uptrend or downtrend? What's your response? Without anybody telling you, with the way GBP USD looks like this, is it an uptrend or a downtrend? Let's start from there. Okay, I just need one person to get it right. Downtrend. Guys, more na calm, you are going to learn today. You guys are going to learn today. So overall, we are on a downtrend on GBP USD. So now, let's now use our Kurokoro highs to look at this thing. If you look at this market from 2003, I'll have just expand my screen, but if I expand my screen now, I don't know if you guys will see my screen properly. Do you guys see everywhere on my screen right now? Or you don't see it? Let me few of us know. Do you guys see my screen properly? Like, do you see every chart? Or can you see this place that my mouse is? Can you see this place that my mouse is? Do you guys see all the charts? Do you guys see it before I know? Why is Victoria? Why are you laughing? Do you guys see my chart? Do you guys see my chart? Do you guys see my chart? No. Okay. Hold on for me, guys. Hold on. When you start seeing it properly, let me know. Let me see if I can quickly work on it from here. Is it better now? Is it better now? Okay. So let's get started. Why are you laughing? You say uptrend. Who say uptrend? Did anybody say uptrend on the chat? This, it be like say this Victoria is a pro. So I never see anybody put down uptrend here. Why are you laughing? You are the only one that see uptrend. You are the one we are supposed to be laughing at. So why are you laughing at? I don't understand this girl, Sha. I've been a lady. I'm sorry if I call you girl. You are a lady. I respect everybody. You are a lady. You are a madam. You are a missus. You are a miss. I don't know which one you fall into. But now, guys, look at it. Without anybody telling you, you know that this is a downtrend. Look at. Let's draw our trend line. Oh, let me change the color right now. Okay, so how to draw a trend line is to connect two outer line. You have to touch two, then you extend it to the future. So 1, 2. So this to let us know that this market is on a downtrend. So we delete. So now we draw our major levels. So what is happening? How the way the market is doing? Where did the market get to, and then it started changing? Obvious. The most obvious is this. Do you guys hear me? The most obvious. Let me extend it to the future. It doesn't have to be very big. What matters most is that, is it touching? So look at it. It touched here, boom, to the upside. So just look at the way it touched here. It touched here in 2005, November 2005, and boom, it went straight up for 2 years. Before it came back to that level was 2008, 3 years. And after it broke it, it still came back in year 2009 to retest that level. Do you see now? And before, look at this place too now. This market got here and it never came back here until here. So here now, what I would just want to do, so that when market come to this level, I'll be able to understand. I can just put a line here. I'll just put a line here. Because if you look at it, you will see that even that place was kind of respected. Even if we extend it to the future, to the history, I see that that place was kind of respected too. I wouldn't want us to extend this major level like it to be too wide. Even within this lane, we can still trade. Do you understand? So that is it. Now we have seen our first major level. Now another major level, we are going to clone this. We clone it. Where is another obvious level? Guys, can you see? Can you see another very obvious level? This my let me see if I can give it another color. Yes, I think this color is better. This one here. Let me edit this too. Okay, so that will let you see the major level properly. Can you see now? So this market got here, boom. You can see the way the market was respecting here, boom. So now where is another major level? Another major level we can spot here right now is here. Very simple, very clean. Another major level we can spot right now is here. So right now, guys, if we let's go to, at least we are okay. For me, I'm okay with the monthly time frame. Though I am seeing some other levels here, I'm going to draw it on the weekly time frame. I can either make it a minor or a major depending on what I see on the weekly time frame. But you agree with me that very clean and clear, we spot the level and we put it there. And I would like to also put another one here. I like to, because this is the lowest this price has ever gotten to. This is the lowest this price has ever gotten to. So I might want to put one here. Let me clone it. This price got here. We will not mind. We will not mind the exhaustion. We will not mind the exhaustion. And if we have to put anything for the exhaustion, something like this, so that we know that this market actually got here. Come on, I've changed your color now. This is supposed to be black, so why is it showing gray? Okay, it's showing black. Guys, are you make it very simple? Make the knowledge very simple. The reason why I'm using this line is to let us know that this is where the market has ever gotten to. Ever gotten to. Let me make this thing tick a little bit. Even this one that I draw here, let me make it a little bit tick. So you can see how our charts are very clean no issue, no stress. Now let's go to weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can see the candle are quite plentier than what we have on the so now this level I'm seeing here, I'm going to probably call it, I'll make it a major level. I'll make it a major level because market is actually respecting it so much. So but the major level, let me clone this. Okay, so I'll just drag it up here. But another thing is that I have to make it tiny. So I have to make it tiny and look at how market has actually respected that level. You can see the way the market actually respect that level. So from here, the market go here, it send it back up, it finally break it, it retest it before this move, and it go here, come back up, break it, retest it, this move, this one now, pen, this like an M, this market supposed to drop, it didn't drop, now it's heading to the upside. So we might likely see, look at here, I'm going to put a line here. I'm going to actually, the reason why I'm putting this line here, this is one thing you need to understand, guys. If we are going to, now I've gotten a trade idea. Are you guys with me? Do you hear when I say I've gotten a trade idea? I hope you guys are with me. I hope you guys are with me. I've just got a trade idea. Okay, Victoria said, because I said I will soon leave this company for them. Happy now. You reach to laugh. I understand why you're laughing. You reach to laugh. Sometimes these my people, they are very funny. Sometimes they will on generator, their generator will be making some crazy noise. And me, I won't disturb anybody because I'm using solar. I'm using solar inverter, so I know they make noise. My own solar inverter 24/7 is always on. NEPA, I know they know maybe NEPA carry light or they no carry light. But them, they don't usually they don't usually have light. But anytime they will have light, their generator noise, if they on generator right now, I'm going to actually make sure I close all my, my ventilations to at least suppress the noise. God will help me to be able to buy my own house or build my own house. I'm getting there. So you reach to laugh, Please, what time frame is this? I don't even know how I should answer you here now. As I'm talking, I'm letting you know the time frame, the time frame I am. Okay, Juliana, sorry, network debt with you. And so they be for we they live Nigeria. She boys, yes, I heard you. Okay, we are with you. Okay, yeah. Good. So, guys, let's go. I've just gotten a trade idea on GBP/USD for us right now. Let me tell you, listen and listen. Watch this video again now. This thing that I just draw, make sure you draw it on your own. So, right now, overall, GBP/USD is doing what? It's on a sell trend. But we don't know if this market will come and retest this level or not. We don't know. So, but look at the way it has been doing. We expect it to actually close below here properly and then come down to this level. But it didn't do that. Because it didn't do that, now look at it. This is one thing you should know. Since how many months now? Since December last year, GBP/USD have not been able to close above this level. In fact, if you bring it down to this level, you see that it has not been able to close above this level. Let me clone this. You see what I'm talking about. You can see that the market has not been able to close above this level. Anytime it gets to this level, it comes down. So I put it here to be on the safer side. So let me delete this. So now, if I can get a weekly candle, we are on a weekly time frame. If I can get a weekly candle to close above this tiny black line that I draw here, trust me, we are heading to the upside. Because this place has enough rejection. So if a candle can close above, like it closes like this kind of candle, if it closes like this, we are going to see it rally to this upside. But if it didn't close like that, we need a bearish engulfing candle before we start taking sell to the downside. So, and if we can get, let me just draw it, is either we get a bullish engulfing candle, this market will come here. I think I'll start changing all my colors one after the other because I have changed my interface. So now look at this. Is either we go something like this, or we get a bullish engulfing candle and then it come down to this level, it break palm, came back to retest, then we take it to this level. So either of all these things will happen. So, and if you understand patience in markets, from here to here is about over 800 pips. It might not happen in one day, 1 week, 2 weeks. It might happen within months, but 800 pips is certainly sure if we can get something like this to happen. So, and another thing is that let me measure how many pips from here to the upside. Over 600 pips. So let's see what the market will do. Let me delete this. So whatever the market will do, draw it on your own trading view too and start monitoring it on the weekly time frame. So from there we'll know what to do. So right now we are still on our top down analysis. Do we still have any place that we need to put our line? If you look at this line, if I extend it to the future, it is a respected level. Look at it. It's a respected level. You can see the way the market was respecting it here. So if I extend it to this level further, You can see. You can see. You can see what is making the market to not break it easily. But once that break happen, we are going to, so that's another thing we can be waiting for. I could call this place a minor level, but the reason why I use line is because I just want a clear break. If I want to use my minor level, let me just use this as a minor level because I've confirmed that it's a minor level now. So let me just use a minor level. This is my rotated triangle that I usually use for a minor level. Let me extend this to the future. Okay. Can see how that place was very respected. So let me change the color. What color was it before? Let me give it red. Okay, so I'm just telling you how this is my major level, that this is my minor level now. So that's what we are waiting for on GBP USD. So any of it, the market will tell us what he wants to do and we'll take advantage of it. So let me try to so now that's that. Let's now go to daily time frame. If there's any other thing we will see on daily time frame. If there's any other thing we will need to see on daily time frame, and see the way this thing is wide, I would like to actually shrink it. Let me go to weekly time frame. It's too wide. Guys, if you are doing it on your own, these are the things you'll be doing yourself too, okay? Okay. It's too wide. So even this is too wide. But I think I draw this on a monthly time frame. good. So now let's go back to daily time frame. Hey, they don't want their generator. Guys, can you see hear me clearly, or I need to go and close all my vents now? Let me know if you can, if you guys can still hear me very clearly, or if I need to quickly go and close my vents and my vents right now. So okay, so you adjust everything. You can see this is where the market go to. All this one on the weekly time frame, on monthly time frame, they are just week out, week in, week out. So here is a major level, here is a major level, here is a major level. So we just need a break above here, and we are getting like an M here. Look at it, to see another trade opportunity. Just a 4 hours candle to close below here. It's an opportunity for us to short this market to the downside. We have gotten another trade opportunity on GBP USD. On GBP USD, we either need a break above here, maybe a weekly candle to close above here, or a 4 hour candle close above below here. Then we start shorting it. Start shorting it. Guys, can you see the M clearly? See the M, and M is a what? It's a reversal pattern. Pam. So if this neckline can be broken, we are coming here. Are you guys with me? If this neckline can be broken, we are doing what? We are coming to this level. So should I just start this thing? Weekly candle close above, for candle close below. So this will be here. I put this so that you guys can, so that you can know what we are waiting for. Do you guys understand what we're doing? You guys understand what we're doing? Thank you so much, sir, for sharing the knowledge with us. Gypsy Jumpsy, what's up? Aaron, those that qualify as an inverse head and shoulder. What do you mean by those that qualify as an inverse head and shoulder? I don't understand. I can hear you, I can hear you clearly. Okay. So guys, we had a long time in today's training, but what is most important is that you guys learning. That's the most important thing. So now, do you understand what we are waiting for on GBP USD? Do you now understand what we're waiting for on GBP/USD? And guess what, guys? All this trade I'm calling for you. If you have I'll just advise that some of you, if you are in my private channel, you can let me know if you want to do it. You can have a separate account for a swing trade. Now when you enter that trade, you can close that account and open another one. You won't even need to open that account again, only that you just need to be monitoring your charts. If you need to move your stop loss into profit, if you need to add another position, those are the only thing you just need to be doing. So guys, let me know if you are going to actually be interested in that. You can have a separate account for a swing trade, a separate account for a day trading and the scalping thing that we do sometimes, okay? But all these things that I'm calling for you, all these 600 pips is a swing. From here to here too, you can see how long it takes from here to get here. It's not one day, it's a swing. But this thing, when you take your time, it will just be like one time trade, and it will continue to be printing money for you. Just make sure you get your analysis right from the first time. Once you get your analysis right, you are good to go. Did you guys understand? Aaron, you said, does that qualify as an inverse? What do you mean by does that qualify as an inverse on head and shoulder? Because I never talked about head and shoulder in all what I'm talking about. I am only explaining the top down analysis, and we spot a chart pattern that is M, not head and shoulder. M is a double top. Is either M is a double top, W is a double bottom. Do you understand? Guys, are you learning? Let me know if you guys are learning. Are you learning? Are you understanding what we are doing? You can see some quite number of people are still here. That means you guys are actually enjoying this thing. Are you guys learning? Okay, beautiful. So that is what I think we are going to stop here. We now know what we are waiting for on GBP/USD. So if you look at it, GBP/USD has been doing something like a uptrend. Another confirmation that this thing might want to go up. It has been doing something like an uptrend. If I draw it like this, what is most important, if you are drawing a trend line, you have to draw it two outer touch is the most important. So I've gotten one here, I've gotten one here. So I can say this. Let me show you the first touch. The first touch is here. The second touch is here. Unless I want to take this one out of it and start my trend line from here. So if I start my trend line from here, then this will be the second touch here, which is not really doesn't really make sense to me. I'll start it from here, and then I can extend it. So mean that this thing has been following this trend line. It gave us a top here. It came back to touch the trend line. It's supposed to give us another higher high, but it gave us a double top. So, and since then it has not getting to this level. So therefore, this market might either come to put a triple top, or it come down to this level. So for now, we fold our hands and we wait for what the market is going to do. So don't let's complicate anything. Okay, don't let's complicate anything. Because of time, should we look at another pair, or that should be the end? We should look at another pair tomorrow. What do you guys think? Okay, how much can one use to start a swing trade? That's a beautiful question, Juliana. Depend on you anyway. Depend on you. Let's say for instance, you can start with depending on your pocket. If you have $1,000, you can start. If you have $10,000, you can start. If you have $200, you can start. If you have $100, if you have $50 too, you can start. It will just depend on the kind of lot size you are going to use. So if we are going to take a trade right now, let me switch to my face. So if you are going to, like I was saying, if you are going to take that GBP USD for a swing trade, we are going to calculate our stop loss. Our stop loss, maybe we are having like 30 pips or 50 pips stop loss. So if you are using like 50 pips stop loss to enter a trade and make about to enter, like, let's say the 600 pips. So you're using 60 pips to take 600 pips. You didn't know what risk to reward ratio is that. That's very, very crazy, you know. So that means your 50 pips you are going to use is 0.10, because at every pips for that 50 pips you are going to use 0.10 for $50. So that means if your trade is stop loss, your $50 is gone. But if your trade did not hit stop loss, that 600 pips that you want to cash, if you cash everything, you are going to use your $50 to make $600. Simple. Do you understand? Sir, in this analysis, how does trend line come in here? If you need to use a trend line, we use a trend line. You can see when I try to use a trend line, just for extra confirmation sometimes, to know if the market is actually responding to trend line, or there's another communication the trend line is actually communicating to us. Guys, if you are just joining this video, make sure you like. If you know you have not liked this video, make sure you do that right now. So another thing is that, okay, Fidelity saying you are learning big time. That's the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing for you guys. Victoria, you that you are laughing me. Juliana said I just got in like few minutes ago. I will rewatch it again. Better you rewatch. You can start watching from 15 minutes and above. I think that's when we start teaching. All the first 15 minutes we're using it to actually, get feedback about yesterday trade and things like that. So yes, I see. What is DM? Gypsy Johnson. Cementa say, can help me and repeat that issue of the pips. Okay, 50 pips. These how pips are calculated. If you watch my pending order video that I usually give to anybody that wants to join my private channel, on 1 pips on the market, if you are using is 0.01, that is 10 cents. If you are using is 0.10, on 1 pip is $1. If you are using 1.00, one standard lot, on 1 pips is $10. So when we are having a stop loss of 50 pips and you want to risk $50, that means you are going to use 0.10. With that, if your trade is stop loss, your $50 is gone. And if your trade is not in stop loss, the same pips will go in your favor. So if you cash 600 pips, that is $600. If it is a one standard lot size, that 600 pips is $6,000. If it is a 0.01, that 50 pips is $5. That 600 pips is $60. So imagine somebody being in a trade for months, I mean for weeks, and at the end of the day you are making $60. When another person being in that trade made $600, another person being in that trade made $6,000. I hope you understand my explanation anyway. If you don't now understand very well, you need to go and watch that video I've made on that I explain pips. I think I did that too in my 0.01 loss I can never make anyone rich. So I think I explained it too there. Thank you for liking the video, the people that are just liking and all the people that have liked before. So let's look at another pair. How many people support we look at another pair? Because I know I've taken a lot of your time. How many people support we look at another pair? We have over 20 people in this live session. If I can get 15 people to tell us to look at another pair, 15 people to tell us to look at another pair, then I'll look at another pair. Because I cannot take my time and be telling us, you'll be like, you are tired, we will do it again tomorrow. So I need the majority to let me know that they are ready for this. Okay, Shibo is say we should continue tomorrow. Fine, I've gotten one person against it. So do you want us to look at another pair? I'm waiting for your response, guys. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for your response. Be sincere. I'm not having issue with anybody. For me, you guys have tried. So if you want me to look at another pair, that means you are extra hungry. Let me know. I'll tell you if I have my time, if I can do that for you. But if not, in 2 minutes time I need a response. If not, we can call it a day. Yeah, we got 2 people that say we should continue tomorrow. Let us continue tomorrow. Tomorrow by God's grace. Tomorrow. So tomorrow by the grace of God, we are going to look at another pair. And we are going to look at it together. And we are going to see, like today now, we didn't get any trade opportunity. But let me quickly look at gold for us. There's something I'm waiting for on gold. That should be a bonus for people that actually waited. And there's something I'm looking out for on. Okay, gold is not ready. GBP USD. Okay, so what we are waiting for, let me tell you guys what we are waiting for, so that when we end this live session, when you see it happen, you can actually take advantage. So if we can get a 4-hour candle, another 4-hour candle has actually started. It's going to last for another 4 hours, another 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours 30 minutes for another 1 hour. If we can get like a a 4-hour candle to close on 2003 2003, you can take gold for a buy. If you get a 4-hour candle close above 2003, take gold for a buy. Let me put it. If you see 4-hour candle close above so you can take it for a buy if you see it, and you can put your stop loss in depending on where the price actually got to. I always like to put my stop loss. You can put it somewhere around here, which is 1995. SL can be in 1995, and we can target our first level target will be 2000 and we start from 2003 2005. Our first level target 2005, our second level target 2011. You can see the way I'm using to measure it based on where the market has gotten to before. 2005, 2010, 2005, 2010. So that at least manage that. So that is what you should be waiting for. TP should be 2005, 2007, 2008 to make it 10. 20. So I give it to you for free. Adepeju, you said we should look at another pair because you just joined. If you look at that thought, you will see that you are the one that actually delayed before you joined. It's not anybody's fault. So what you can do is that you can actually rewatch this thing. Once you rewatch it, you will get everything we asked. If you have any question, you can message me. You can DM me on Telegram. You can't say because you just joined and then we ask other people. Other people have been here for over an hour, over 1 hour 30 minutes, and we have been learning. So, and if you have been learning for that long, you need a refresh. So let's refresh. I've given you guys a trade idea that probably could play at. If we have our 4-hour candle close above 2003 on gold, you can take it for a buy. Your SL can be in 1995 and your TP should be 25, 27, 28, 2010. So that is that about that. So any question, any review, anything, should we call it today? Should we call it today? Should we call it today? Should we call it a day? should we call it a day? Then BTC USD, guys, wow, guy, get ready. We are going to a trade idea is getting ready for us. The trade idea is getting ready for us. One thing about this thing is this, one thing about this thing is this: it has broken. As it break right now, after 1 hour candle now, in 1 hour's time, we can take it for a buy. But I'll look at it. Wow, I've been waiting for this to happen. I actually was not really paying attention. If not, see an opportunity with me, so let me just let you guys see. Look at it. Yeah. How many people understand what pattern just formed here? How many people understand what pattern formed here? Let's use this one to close it. This one is maybe smaller time frame. You can see the time frame are meant for analysis, to see charts. It doesn't affect trading. So how many people understand what I just draw on BTC here? What's the name of this pattern? Because we missed it, and it pained me that we missed this. I wasn't paying attention to it. What pattern is this? What pattern is this? How many people is 9? I don't know, because until that candle closes before we can calculate our stop loss. I don't know. I'm just saying something that will a stop loss that might be reasonable. That's what I just put. You can't see my screen. Oh, sorry. Let me quickly see what we are missing out on BTC USD. See flying to the moon. I didn't see it on time. So that means this gold that I was talking about, you guys are not seeing it. So this is what I'm saying we should be waiting for on gold. If you can get a 4-hour candle close in 2003, we can take it to the upside. But this BTC, he pay me. If it's something, pay me at the talk, he pay me. But what pattern is this? Based on what I've been teaching you guys, and I've asked about this thing. If you have also followed baby pips the way I've instructed you, you will also have met this pattern. What pattern is this, guys? What pattern is this? Anybody? Somebody just got it. Fidelity token say a falling wedge. That falling wedge thing, anytime you see it, don't dull it. Don't do what? Don't dull it. It pain me, make I not lie you guys, it pain me. because what you are seeing here, how many pips is this now? Since the breakout, we enter from here to this level that it is right now. Market has moved over, is this 140 pips or one, I don't know, I don't even know how to calculate this BTC pips. It's different from, but this thing will have moved. I don't know how to calculate the pips. Anyway, I can quickly go and update my knowledge on that. Let me see. Okay, I think it's 139. Like 140 pips. Could it be 140 pips? Yes, it could be 140 pips. And it might not be, I don't know. I'll go and actually, so we can have our stop loss around here. Safely around here. See what we miss. Because I was not paying attention. So now look at the way it's flying out. So that's that about that. So guys, bye bye. See you guys tomorrow. Hey, downward edge. Hey, it is falling wedge, not downward edge. You. Bye bye, guys. Take care. Yes, you are right, Kodru Abiola. It is almost opposite. When you have a rising wedge, the market is going to actually drop. When you have a falling wedge, the market is going to actually rise. So go and update your knowledge on your baby pips. Keep winning, guys, and always remember that Diamond Aridoh does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.